Wow, I have to do this lame chem project where we have to do different reactions. It's so lame.
Chemistry's awesome. Here, we can help.
Our first reaction is an acid-base reaction. Our acid-base reaction is baking soda and vinegar. This is useful in the real world, for example, when kids are making a volcano science project and they need lava. This situation requires sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, plus acetic acid, which is vinegar. The product is carbon dioxide, a gas, water, a liquid, sodium, an aqueous solution, and an acetate ion, which is also an aqueous solution. You can use two things that are easily found in your house: sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid, aka baking soda and vinegar. In this reaction, the acetic acid, vinegar, is an acid. Other than the name, you know this is an acid because in the reaction, a hydronium ion H+ comes off of the acetic acid. After the H+ is released, the product yields carbon dioxide, water, a sodium ion, and an acetate ion.
Cool.
Hey, want to hear a joke?
Sure.
Do you know any good sodium jokes?
Nah.
Stink, school kids!
Our second reaction is our precipitation reaction. Our precipitation reaction is lead-2 sulfide. This is useful in the real world because the product is found in infrared detectors which pick up infrared radiation. It is picked up through thermal energy seen through a camera. The reactants are lead-2+ and sulfur, both aqueous solutions, which produce the precipitate lead-2 sulfide. This is the situation in which we would use them.
How does that happen?
One of the things in infrared detectors is lead-2 sulfide, and it helps to make it work. Here's how it works. You begin with lead-2+ and sulfur-2-, which are both aqueous solutions. When they mix, they combine to form a solid in the container. The precipitate product you end up with is lead-2 sulfide.
Our third reaction is our redox reaction. Our redox reaction is copper precipitate and an aqueous iron solution. This is useful for if you want to make solid copper from iron and a copper solution. The reactants are a solid iron and an aqueous copper solution. Once mixed together, the iron becomes the aqueous solution and the copper becomes a precipitate. Let's look at a situation like that.
Wow, I wish I had some copper right now. I could really use that stuff.
Want to find the stuff? I know where you can get the stuff.
How? I need it.
You can take an aqueous solution of copper and solid iron and mix them together. Here, I have it right here, and I'll show you how it works. An aqueous solution of copper 2+ swaps electrons with a solid iron atom to form the product of an aqueous iron 2+ and a solid copper atom. Iron is oxidized and copper is reduced.
Wow, how did that become a solid? That was so helpful. I'll do that on my own all the time now.
Hey, want to hear a joke?
Okay.
Do you hear how oxygen's date with potassium went?
No.
It went okay.